Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very useful video for absolutely everyone. I'll show you how to increase the size of your keyboard, the one you use to type text whenever you want to do something on your smartphone. For example, you might be entering a search query on YouTube, searching for information in your browsers, writing messages in your instant messengers, or simply searching for something in the settings. So, look, if we go to the standard settings and, for example, the search bar, I click on it and look, I get this keyboard that appears whenever I need to type something. And the size of this keyboard, you see, is generally small on all phones, meaning small letters and the overall size of the keys are also small. In most cases, this isn't very convenient. And when you type something, you might press the wrong letter because the size is too small. Plus, some people have big fingers, and when you click, again, you can make some mistakes. Now I'll show you how to increase the size of this keyboard itself, so it's comfortable to use. Be sure to support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, let's start from the very beginning, so you don't get confused. For example, you go to the standard settings, click on search, and the keyboard appears. In principle, you can click this in any messenger or browser. You will see exactly the same keyboard. Next, you need to find this square on the left side. Click on it. And in this entire menu, you need to scroll through and find the size. Look here, click on this square, and this option appears. That is, we can change the size. To do this, we just need to drag up on this slider. So, at the moment, we make it maximum and confirm with a tick. Click. Look how much the keyboard has grown, literally 3 or 4 times larger. It's now quite comfortable to type on all the keys. But many will say, we only made the keys bigger, but the letters are still small. So, now I'll show you what you need to do to make the letters large too. Click on this little square on the left again and now find this little wheel, this gear that looks like a settings icon. Click it. And here we need to find the standard settings. Go to this line. Now scroll carefully and find the line labeled text size or font size. By default, it will be set to the smallest size. That is, the system size. You just need to change it. Drag the slider and see the percentage increase. Well, let's say we set the maximum at 200% for now. Click OK. Use the arrow key to go back. Back again. And now look, here's our keyboard. Indeed, as you've noticed, all these letters have become several times larger than before. And now your keyboard will be even more comfortable and convenient to use than before. Now you know where to go and what to press, and you can independently adjust the size to suit your personal preference.